Good afternoon, my name is Brian Boyette and this is my phonics lesson plan. Teacher objective. The teacher will use common affixes, prefixes, and suffixes to understand word meanings. As far as review for this lesson plan, students have learned about prefixes, suffixes, and root words. The teacher will question the students to activate their prior knowledge of this lesson. The questions we will be asking is 1. What is the root word? 2. Where does the prefix come in the word? 3. Where does the suffix come in the word? And last, we will ask, how does a prefix or suffix change the meaning of a word? For the overview, the purpose of this lesson is to use common affixes, which are prefixes and suffixes, to understand word meanings and know that added affixes changes the meaning of a word. For continuality of this lesson plan, last week the students began talking about the root words and how when you add affixes to the word, it can change the meaning of the word. So we're basing it mostly off of the root word at the beginning. For today, the students will be able to identify prefixes, suffixes, and root words with the knowledge of the meaning of words when the affixes are added. So the students will have to identify the new meaning of the word with either the prefix or suffix added to the root word. For the future, tomorrow, students will extend their knowledge of being able to identify word meanings by adding the part to a given word, then by decomposing the root word and affixes to determine each part of the word. Again, the objective is the learner will be able to identify prefixes, suffixes, root words, and understand the word meanings. So they will have to sit there and identify each part, the suffix, if it has one, the suffix, if it has one, and the root word. For motivation, we're going to start off by watching a video on prefixes and suffixes. It's the bazillions. So again, this will be more of a kind of a music video to get them motivated into the lesson plan. So this video, as you saw, starts with prefixes, it goes on to suffixes, and it helps the student to understand what prefixes and suffixes do to the root word.